Hello everybody. This one is facts. One news just come out. I just say me I quick drop my 2 cents. If you are a mother, let me on this my lights. If you be mother, you day out there, you and your child. Yes. Now everybody, welcome to Nigeria.tv. If today is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, please, if you like this channel, you like what I do, please do where to subscribe and join this beautiful family. Yes, I just finished my premiere. I said, let me drop this video so that I'll edit it for tomorrow. Okay. Yes, my people, what I read come out for this. I watch my this video today, like this I do. What I really get to break come out, talk about this video. If you be mother, you and your child, now they walk out for street or now stand anywhere, please be very careful. There is this little girl, 3 years old speaking. She and her mom, they stand for train station. They wait for train. My people, as they wait for train, this woman, as the child stand with her mom, this woman just get up, just push the 3 years old pikin. Wetin they can't see her? Now, camera. Then they take discover and say, see the person when he push her. What it really make me bring this video come out? Say, may I talk about? Many of us will be mother, and we they travel and we they go out with our children. Yes, many of us we they do. Carry our children come outside. Please, if you be mom, you go outside with your child. Please learn how to protect your pikin. Yes, because you know whether the woman, whether he head no, maybe not normal, because I don't really see waiting one cause and waiting 3 years old pikin do when you just push her inside the train track. Imagine train come and go Samaritan because they quick rush the baby out before train come. As he push that paper, how is train just take that child life? Waiting person want talk. Waiting the mother will talk. He go just face the law. Then child don't go. Prevention is better than cure. Please, if they go out with your children, because many people, their hair don't full. Many people, they not be normal human being. Go just they see that they just buy wear clothes, as our sister Shasha talk. Some people go just wear clothes, but their head, they are something, they are not, some nuts don't come off of their head. When the 3 years old pikin do this man, I be this woman. When she just push 3 years old pikin, they call it the pikin, if he use her face, stay hit ground, and she get bruise for body, say the pikin head they pain her, but they don't arrest the person when he push the pikin. Police don't arrest her. For me, I think say the man he head is quite score, he don't come out. Now waiting me fear. I feel say maybe the man square he don't come out. The man head, the person head, whether na man be woman, don't forget. The person head no, he not normal. Now waiting I see her. The person head. Yes, waiting you na feel. For me, I feel say the man head not correct. Now waiting me see. What do you still think? Drop in the comment section. But I just bring this video to advise all mothers, all parents, all fathers. If they carry your child, they go outside. Be very, very vigilant and be very careful. Mostly with the YouTuber, me, you the YouTuber. If you are going outside, hey, hello, we are going out. My eye already there with my children. Oh, yeah, that one. Hey, problem not too much. My eye, I dey shine now. Otherwise, you get me, chicky. I dey shine now more because that place where you come, I never heal at all. I need to be What is it? Vigilante. I be vigilant. Yes, so don't we play. Yes, now we will still laugh. We be because that place, one leg go there, have one leg go there. These words when given back to a child. Yes, so that my people. Yes, maybe we dey vigilant. You understand? Because hey, imagine train just I'll put the video. Maybe I still watch her. Yes, I believe say no be anything. Maybe YouTube not restrict her. I'll put her so that maybe I use now 2 eyes. Yeah. If YouTube restrict her, I go remove it. I don't know you. If YouTube just do their chicken, I'll remove her. Maybe we read some comments, okay? Waiting one person talk. One person say, read your own. Not read my own. One person say, the baby is alive and safe. I am good with that. Headache we go. As far the woman that push her, she must be frustrated, single, childless woman. Just sad to see others with blessing. She does not have, But if somebody you not get child, now people like that, they're supposed to show love to children pass. Yes. If you they look me, you are one of them. People like them. Now they're supposed to show love pass to children so that those children blessing, it will come to you. Because you don't get child, you can't wicked other people's child, or you don't want to see people children. That is, you never open door for your own child. You don't get child, then you go open door, you go open room. You know, you go open door, you go open room for children. I know somebody when they look for child, anybody, any place where for see child, you go gift the child. Anywhere for see child, mostly and children when they give birth to, when their mama get their belly for long before they born them. If they see those kind of children, they use I pass them. Twins, they don't use I pass twins. Triplets, they don't use I pass those children. Those kind of children, people mostly people when they find child, they love children. Not be by that one, no. No, no, pardon. They do another one, say demonic position is real. Yes, that is demon. Many people do things they cannot explain. That is true. This commenter say many people they do something when they not even explain, when they not even know. That is true too. You know when they blame people, we'll still rethink. It's true. Many people they do something when they don't know. Say she is possessed. Yes, that is true. Mental illness is on the. That is true. Those comments when I read, so some say maybe they pass through, some say mental. Now waiting is TikTok. I say mental problem. But my real advice of coming out to drop this this small video is, please, if you are a mother, be vigilant. If you are a father, be vigilant when taking children outside and not leave your child. Imagine this person now, this woman, when you push this again, I be this man, when you push this girl now, when you push this 3 years old pikin now. Imagine now only that 3 years old pikin they walk out for street. What do you expect? Maybe lonely place. Maybe where people not there. You see like 3 years, 4 years, only they just they work out. Wait till you think say this kind of person go do. If in fact, no, I don't want to pronounce that. May we be very careful because some children when they see them from this my area, only they go there outside small. I don't like it. My daughter is 6 years now. Now when they come out, now she they come out. Or maybe when her father they come out, now she they come out. Without we not come out. My children stay indoor with me. Except their father carry them like that they want film. Now see, except those me or their father. Without that, they don't go anywhere. They stay with me. Because I don't want the story that touches the heart. Drop your own opinion. What do you think? May we be our children guide now. It touched me when I watched the video. It broke my heart. Yes, it really broke my heart. But glory be to God. Wait, I really happy for say the pikin nothing do one. You see, yes, nothing do the pikin a headache and wait again and it gets some injury for body. Glory be to God, she's still there alive. Nothing happened to her. Only that one, I make me happy. Let's be vigilant. Let's protect our children. I'll still repeat that, okay? Please, my beautiful sister, my beautiful brother, mommy, daddy, auntie. If today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please don't pass me by. But if you don't like me, no problem. But if you like me, you like it, I did do. Please subscribe to my channel, okay? Subscribe and always watch my video and drop your own opinion. Give me that like. All my returnee, I salute. All my subscriber, I salute. All my super chatter, I salute. All my super thanks, I salute. All my supporter, all my support, I salute. I'll see you now in my next video. Don't forget to give this girl la la la. Everybody go to breakfast.